Next question. Question about Parashas Yitro. We learned the Torah was given on a Shabbat, but isn't that we are not allowed to give or receive a gift on Shabbos?
What is the connection? What's up? No. Okay. We're not allowed to get to receive and give gifts on Shabbos for another reason. There is one milacha that is forbidden on Shabbos, is writing and erasing. That's the milacha, as we said before. Just quickly, I remind, we had planks in the Mishkan, like this heavy duty, this wooden planks, and they had to write coordinates. This is from west, plank number 7. This is from east, plank number 3. Okay, that's all. That's it. So it's very, very similar, right? To when you do business, you write down. So I bought 3 of this and 5 of this, and how much do I owe you? So you calculate how much you have to pay that person. That's why all of the business transactions are forbidden, right? So on Shabbos, and selling and buying, it is a business transaction, and giving to somebody as a gift is a business transaction. So there's not such a big differences in. There's some difference, but not like. But there are more similarities in between the buying and selling and giving as a gift. Because why? The end result is acquisition. So the other person, the other side, acquires, does kinyan. Like if it's a physical object, you have to lift that. If it's a cow or something, so you have to move it. It has to take 2 steps. Right? If it's a plane, for example, you buy from somebody a plane, of course the plane you're not going to pull. So there should be contract with the witnesses, and you do some kinyan with a handkerchief or something, like you lift up. So you say, yeah, the sale is done. Same as a gift. If somebody give you the plane, he said, look, I'm so tired. I want to give you a plane. Maybe you sell this plane and live worry-free for the next 30 years. So you say, oh, yeah, it's a good example, good proposition. So can I have? Yeah, it's yours. No, it's not enough. Just what he said, he has to do whatever according to halacha. So it doesn't not matter the money involved or not. So it's still transaction. That's why it is forbidden to do on Shabbos. Right, right. So giving gifts. Not because Torah was given, but Torah was given on Shabbos. That's according to one opinion, Rabbi Yochanan, I think he said it. And I give you, since we're on the topic, I just learned recently, very interesting. So it's about all of the days of creation, and we actually talked about creation today. So it says Yom Echad, Yom Sheni, Yom Shlishi, but about the 6th day, it says right, Yom Hashishi, right? So no, 7 days. 7 days, right? Yom Hashishi, right? So they say why is that? And our sages explain it's what is it? Is the in English, meaning the 6th day. So the question is, what is the 6th day? So with all other days there is simple, but just day, Yom Sheni Atud Hashishi. Why is that? And they say that the Torah. Not the Torah. One second. So the Torah was given on this. On this 7th day, which is Shabbos. No, how did we get to 6th day? 1 second. So 6th of Sivan. I apologize. So 6th of Sivan it's actually corresponds to this Hashishi. So 6th of Sivan, right? But even though it was intended to give on 6th of Sivan, but it was actually given on the 7th of Sivan. Right? Moshe Rabbeinu, Hashem said, take 2 days, preparations, wash your clothing, right? Separate from his wife. But Moshe Rabbeinu added 1 extra day. It was his understanding, and Hashem agrees. So the Torah was actually given on the 7th day. So why Hashishi? Because we agreed to receive it on the 6th day. So on the 6th of Sivan. On the 6th of Sivan, we agreed to receive, and it says that the world was completed. It was not completed. So creation was not completed until the 6th day, 6 days of Sivan. I mean, for us it's 7, but just so you get the point, until Jews received the Torah. So it says, okay, it's like everything is going to exist. Hashem said, I'm going to provide, but until this day. So if Jews are going to accept the Torah, so yes, the purpose of creation realized, no problem. So we're going to continue. If they would not accept the Torah, that's it. So the whole creation is out. I don't need it. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So it's 6th day. I apologize. I said 7th day. It's 6th day. Yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.